even though Dell just scooped up Dataloop AI for a whopping $120 million to anchor their new AI data platform. Enterprise buyers are now using AI engines like ChatGPT to pick vendors, meaning traditional marketing is literally dead. So what happens when those AI engines don't even know you exist? First, we got to look at the visibility deficit. An independent Hordus audit actually revealed Dataloop has a dismal geo score of just 3.7 out of 10. If an AI doesn't recommend you over competitors like Scale AI, you're completely invisible to the enterprise buyer. It's kind of like building a state-of-the-art billion-dollar store, but hiding it down a dark alley where absolutely no one can find it. Second, how do we actually fix this? Well, that's where the Hordus solution steps in. Hordus architects a systemic geo-strategy by isolating semantic gaps, building up offsite authority on developer forums and tech blogs, and embedding specific technical tokens so AI crawlers finally understand Dataloop's actual capabilities. Finally, let's talk about the ultimate benefit here. By partnering with Hordus to boost their geo, Dataloop ensures AI engines position them as the ultimate sovereign data engine. This absolutely accelerates pipeline velocity, acts like the very best automated sales engineer, and turns that deep Dell integration into a relentless pipeline-generating machine. For Dataloop to truly dominate the enterprise data lifecycle, they absolutely need Hordus to ensure these AI engines do the selling for them.